Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up an email campaign in Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account and click the Create button located in the top right corner. From the options, select Email and then choose the regular campaign type. This is your starting point for sending a standard email to your audience. Give your campaign a descriptive name, perhaps including the topic or date, so it's easy to find later. This initial step is crucial for organizing your marketing efforts effectively. Next, you'll define who receives your email and who it's from. Click Add Recipients and select the audience or specific segment you want to target. Mailchimp allows for highly segmented lists, ensuring your message reaches the right people. Then, click Add From to input your sender name and email address. A professional sender name, like your company name, builds trust. Always double-check your email address for accuracy to prevent delivery issues and maintain a strong sender reputation. Now let's focus on the heart of your email, the content. First, craft an engaging subject line and preview text. These are vital for encouraging opens, so make them concise and intriguing, perhaps under 50 characters. Next, click Add Content to design your email. You can choose from Mailchimp's many pre-built templates or start from scratch. Drag and drop blocks to add text, images, and clear calls to action. Remember, a well-designed email keeps your audience engaged and drives results. Finally, it's time to review and send your campaign. Before hitting send, carefully review every section: recipients, sender, subject line, and content. Mailchimp provides a comprehensive checklist to help you. Always send a test email to yourself or a colleague to ensure everything looks perfect across different devices and that all links are working correctly. Once you're confident, you can choose to send your campaign immediately or schedule it for a specific date and time, optimizing for audience engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.